This is Kyle with Big Gun Exhaust. In this video, we are going to review the basics of the Big Gun Power Box. Each Big Gun Exhaust Power Box kit comes with a vehicle-specific Big Gun Power Box, Velcro, zip ties, and instructions that include vehicle-specific preset settings. And with certain applications, an O2 bypass. For this demonstration, we'll be installing a power box on a Polaris RZR XP 1000. Keep in mind, each vehicle has different injector locations, so be sure to reference your instructions. Once you've located your injector plugs, go ahead and disconnect them. Keep in mind, some vehicles have one connection point and others have two. Determine a location for the power box. Next, route and connect the black ground lead to the grounding frame bolt or negative terminal of the battery. Next, connect one of the power box fuel injector connectors in line with the factory fuel injector sub-connection. It does not matter which power box connector pair goes with which cylinder. This controller comes with an O2 bypass, which needs to be installed to properly allow fueling throughout the entire range. Once installed, make sure connection points are securely clicked in and use supplied zip ties to fasten wires out of the way. The Big Gun Exhaust Power Box is designed to be a plug-and-play piggyback unit. There is no computer or dyno required. Simple push-button adjustment interface and is waterproof. Tuning the Big Gun Power Box typically isn't required, since each power box comes pre-programmed for your vehicle. Understanding the power box. When the key is in the on position, it is common for the lights to flash 1 and 8. This indicates that there is power to the injectors, but the injectors are not engaged. Once the vehicle is started, the power box lights will scroll back and forth, resting on a steady green. With the addition of aftermarket parts like air filter or exhaust, slight adjustments may be needed on the power box. Keep in mind, setting the power box to maximum fuel does not equal more power. The power box interface has a mode button which is used to switch between fuel modes and set specific fueling. The plus and minus button are used to increase and decrease fuel in each mode. After making adjustments in any mode, your settings will be immediately saved. In mode 1, or green mode, this mode is fuel addition during cruise or steady throttle. In this mode, we will make the adjustment to mode 4. In mode 2, or yellow or amber mode, this mode is fuel addition during acceleration. In this mode, we will make the adjustment to mode 5.5. In mode 3, the red mode, this mode is fuel addition during full throttle. In this mode, we will make the adjustment to mode 4.5. It is not recommended that you make any adjustments past mode 3, as these modes can tend to be a little more complicated. Depending on the vehicle, some power boxes will have 5 modes, while others will have 6. In mode 4, the green-blue mode, this mode adjusts when mode 1 engages. For this, we will make the adjustment to mode 4 to 4.5. In mode 5, the yellow-blue, this mode adjusts when mode 2 engages. For this, we will make the adjustment to mode 4.5. In mode 6, the red-blue, this mode adjusts when mode 3 engages. For this, we'll make the adjustment to mode 4.5. Use the mode button to scroll through each mode to confirm your settings. Fuel setting 0 is represented by a rapid flashing green light in setting 1. That concludes this tech tip. For more information, go to biggunexhaust.com.